Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Derma 15% AHA and 1% BHA peeling solution. So this is a beginner's peeling face solution, and this has 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid and 1% salicylic acid. And this is for 10 minutes weekly exfoliation. This retails for 499 rupees and you are getting 30 ml of product. This is supposed to deeply exfoliate your skin and helps in get rid of excess dead skin cells as well as blemishes, uneven skin texture, acne, acne scars and marks, large pores, fine lines and wrinkles. Also, this is sulfate free, dye free, paraben free and mineral oil free. When it comes to packaging, this is how it looks like, and it comes in this beautiful purple cardboard outer packaging. And when you open this is how your actual product looks like. It comes in this glass jar packaging. Also, it comes with a dropper which makes it really convenient to use. The texture of this product is quite different and unique, and this is a powerful combination of 15% AHA and 1% BHA, which is super effective on the skin. And also this is highly effective in fighting acne, acne scars, acne marks and blemishes. And here I wanted to tell you something, that this is a chemical pill, okay? Please don't use excess amount of product. So this is the second time I'm using this product, and I think by mistake I added a little more than what I needed. So yeah, please be careful while using it on your skin. Don't use excess amount of product and don't keep it for more than 10 minutes. Now, if you ask me, in my opinion, this is a really good product and it does its job pretty well, but as I used a little too much, my skin became a little irritated and also I had redness all over my face. And also I applied a very hydrating hyaluronic acid and collagen based moisturizer. The redness was there for around 15-20 minutes and then it was pretty much gone. As I have super sensitive skin, so my skin tends to react pretty quickly, but after the redness is gone, the result was pretty much amazing. It just smoothens out my skin, and my skin was so nice, clean, radiant and soft. Now, as I have super duper sensitive skin, after applying it, I keep it for 5 to 7 minutes max. Although it's mentioned on the packaging that you are not supposed to keep it more than 10 minutes. But if you have super duper sensitive skin, I would recommend to keep it for 5 to 7 minutes max. That's what I do. Even though it's a beginner's peeling solution, but I would highly recommend you to do a patch test, and please do not keep it on your skin for more than 10 minutes. It might burn your skin. So yeah, be careful. And also I would recommend you to use a very gentle cleanser while removing it from your skin. And the day you are using it, please don't use any other active ingredients along with it. It might cause irritation. And remember, post application, apply a ceramide based or a hyaluronic acid based serum or a moisturizer, whatever it is, but use a moisturizer. Remember, moisturizing is a must. You are supposed to use it in the night time, don't use it in the daytime. And the very next morning, remember, a sunscreen is a must. Please don't go out without a sun protection after using it, at least for 24 hours. And I repeat, a patch test is needed. Please don't keep it for more than 10 minutes. And if you see any irritation or redness occurs, just go and wash it off. And as you guys can see, I'm not wearing any makeup today. I used it yesterday and this is how my skin looks like. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of the product links and details will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.